How to fix iPhone microphone not working. Now, if your iPhone microphone isn't working, we're going to start with the very basic things and the differences between the issues. Now, if you let's say your microphone is not working only on one app, let's say WhatsApp, but it is working on Instagram, it is working on Messenger, it could be that WhatsApp is lacking the microphone issue. So if your issue is only with a certain app, open up settings, scroll down, go to apps, go to the app that you think is not being able to use your microphone for some reason. In this case, let us suppose WhatsApp. Here you want to select microphone and make sure that it is turned on. So you can try to check this for other applications as well for which you think it's not working. Second, to check if it's not the issue with our microphone or hardware, open up the voice recorder app or the Voice Memos app on iPhone. Try to record a voice and see if you're being able to record a voice here, but it's not working, because chances are if you're not being able to record here, it just means that there is some kind of defect with your microphone. So try to record it here. Try to check for any dust or debris in the microphone port. Try to restart your iPhone, and we are trying to check our microphone privacy settings as well. So we want to open up settings, then we want to simply go to the option that says privacy. So let me just scroll down and go to privacy and security option, or anything as such as you'd be able to find here. Then we will go to the option microphone. So we will check if our microphone access is enabled, because chances are if your microphone access is disabled, you're not being able to do so. Try to check if it's enabled, and that should help you solve the problem. But bottom line is, try to use any of the recorder app or camera app, record a video, see if your mic is working there, and only then see if it isn't working, or you can try to take it to a nearby repair shop. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon as always in the next video.